Wenn wir weiter geradeaus fahren können bis zum Roten Rathaus und dann links rüber auf der Museumsinsel.
This vehicle is to promote and to visualize and to showcase on site. That means that we can move to places where actually decisions have to be made for the rollout of broadband.
The German broadband strategy is based on two pillars mainly. The first pillar is the market-driven broadband rollout, and the second pillar is the broadband rollout which is funded by public money. And this initiative is part of our first pillar, so to speak. So we want to make sure that the enterprises by themselves see the need why they should have super fast internet and why they therefore should invest in broadband.
The campaign started in February 2017 and has meanwhile seen more than 200 events and crossed quite the entire country, more than 50,000 kilometers on tour now. So the reason to go to these places is to convince and to persuade on site that motivation is raised, that awareness is raised, and that accelerates the broadband rollout. We have developed a number of workshops going along, so it's sometimes a synergetic thing. We also visit huge exhibitions, trade fairs. That is, we run special workshops on IoT, 5G, Wi-Fi for EU. Very many of our workshops and activities are geared to funding, to organizing, to put a handle on problems, to overcome burdens of the infrastructure rollout. But of course the key target here is, for example, the rural area, the more remote areas. It's more becoming a matter of tailoring these workshops to those who ask us to come by. So the questions have matured. In the beginning we went to areas to show possibilities and opportunities, and now the questions are more in terms of what is the sustainability of my investment. There is money available from the government, the decision has to be made, and then the planning can be helped with the progress that is sometimes motivated.
The first funding program of the German government started in 2015, and up to now we gave subsidies to 2,900 municipalities to make sure that the broadband rollout is also implemented in very rural areas. For the next 4 years we will have another 10 to 12 billion euros to spend for such programs.
This vehicle has been a proactive part, and this is why it has revealed many details that were also learning points to take more informed decisions. But at the same time, it's worthwhile visiting on site to reveal also potentials. But we're happy as BCO and within the mandate of the Federal Broadband Bureau to share.